Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Jackie Crochet. Today I am bringing for you very easy and simple pattern of single crochet. First of all, we stitch chains as you desire of a cardigan, a sweater, a blanket measurement. This pattern for very crochet beginners, very easy tutorial how to make a blanket stitch, base stitch and dexter stitch using single crochet. Simple way of stitching a chain. You look at this. Then I skip 3 stitches and every section single crochet stitched. Chain stitch. I hope you like my simple tutorial of crochet single stitch and this pattern. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and also click on bell icon for further videos and further information about my tutorials and patterns. You can use this pattern for base of a crochet blanket, crochet cardigan, sweater, scarves, braids, everything. This is very simple pattern. Every beginner easily understand this stitch. Single crochet stitch is very useful for crochet art. Watch the video till the end for full tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Comment on my videos and please subscribe my channel. And thank you for your support. Stay safe and stay healthy. Have a nice day.